Good morning. This script example is for calculation of factorials for not more than 10 numbers. I have already created three files, which is here a fact file, fact.csh, a final.csh, a third file, second.csh. I've done this so that I don't have to type it over again. I'll run you through each of the files so that I can explain you what the codes are like. So I'll be running one file on this window, which is the file final.csh, which looks something like this, and this will be running on the server side, and while this will be running on the client side, and the file named second.csh, which does nothing but if you we can see here, we have a csh fact dot the value of the fact file. It is being redirected to the file here in Joshua / output.txt. So this is where we can find the output of our project and of this example. The other file which we have is fact.csh. Let's see how fact.csh looks like. So here we have fact. In this file, we are actually, what we are doing is calculating for the factorials which we are supposed to show. So if we see, we have a variable n, which is assigned with a value of 0, and here we have a variable on, which is assigned with a value 0, and then we have a variable fact, which is assigned with 1. Now we have another variable which is assigned with a value 0. So, and we are having two while loops here. So for in the first case, the while loop the while loop is looking for a value which is not equal to 0. The value the I we are for I we had 30, and now we are looking for value which is not equal to 0, and then we are making it sleep for 2 seconds. The value of I which we had got, now it is being assigned to a variable on, and then the variable on is assigned to a value n, and thereafter the value of 1 is assigned to fact. Then we are searching whether the value of n, which was given the value of on, is greater than equal to 1 in this while loop. In case if it is happening, then we are assigning the fact here was equal to 1. Now fact has become, we are printing the value of fact and calculating the factorial here using this expression, and then we are decrementing the value of n by 1 and ending the while loop, this while loop. Thereafter we are decrementing the value of I, and then we are printing the value of factorial, and then ending the first while loop. This is what the fact is doing, and the output of this entire code is being sent to the file which I said before, second.csh, which was here. If I can show you, it's second.csh. The fact of this is being saved to a file known as output.txt. Now let's see what's happening in the other end. Here we are having a file named as final.csh. We are creating a directory in the root named as Joshua, and then we are copying the file, all the contents of the csh file, final, as well as the second and fact. Then we are sleeping for 1 second, and then again we are sleeping for another second for second.csh, and then we are going to test for a true condition. We have a variable named toTest, and then we are using the grep command to sort out to find what we are having in the file output.txt. Then we are assigning the value of toTest and just printing it here. Then we are searching whether toTest is greater than 10. If it is greater than 10, then we are supposed to kill the process. This is what our example does. And then we are executing this command. This command simply states that we are having the processes that are running, and then we are using grep to find the factorial, and then we are printing the second column, and thereafter we are killing it, and then we break it, the process is running, and then we'll sleep for 1 second, and then finally the while loop which was running here, it is ending here. Now let's see how it works. As I told you, I'll be running the final file here and the second file here, so just a second. So let's run the final file here to CSH, and here we have CSH second.csh. We can see that the factorials will be calculating only till the number 10. Now here you see, here the second file is running, and here we are having the 10 values which are going to run. So it is running, it will run till the value of 10, and then it will get terminated, and here this is monitoring, showing that this will be terminated. So after 10, the factorial, see, we get an output factorial printed more than 10 times, killing the process, terminated, the process is killed. As soon as this gets completed, we in the second we are having terminated terminated message as given. So this was all it, and thank you for watching the video, and goodbye, have a good day.